Cattle egret, an in-depth overview. Scientific classification. The cattle egret is scientifically named Bubulcus ibis. It belongs to the family Ardeidae, which includes herons, egrets, and bitterns. The genus Bubulcus encompasses species commonly known for their association with large herbivores. Native range and distribution. Originally native to the Old World, the cattle egret has a wide distribution that spans Africa, Europe, Asia, and the Indian subcontinent. In recent decades, it has expanded its range significantly, colonizing the Americas. It was first recorded in South America in the 1950s and has since spread throughout much of Central and South America, including the Caribbean. Its adaptability has enabled it to thrive in a variety of environments beyond its native range. Physical appearance. The cattle egret is a relatively small heron with a distinctive appearance. Adults measure between 46 to 56 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of approximately 88 to 96 centimeters. They exhibit a robust build with a short, thick neck and a relatively small, rounded head. The most striking feature is their plumage. During the breeding season, they are adorned with bright orange or chestnut plumes on their head, neck, and back. Outside the breeding season, their plumage is mostly white, with some subtle buff or yellowish tints. Their bill is yellow to orange, and their legs and feet are generally dark. Habitat and distribution. Cattle egrets are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and wetlands. They are commonly associated with agricultural areas and pastures, where they are often seen following cattle or other large herbivores. This behavior is due to their reliance on disturbed environments where their prey is abundant. In addition to their preference for open, grassy areas, cattle egrets can also inhabit mangroves, coastal marshes, and even urban areas. Behavior. Cattle egrets are social birds and often form large flocks. They are known for their distinctive foraging behavior, where they follow large mammals such as cattle, buffalo, and elephants. The birds benefit from the movement of these animals, which disturbs insects and other small invertebrates, making them easier to catch. This behavior also extends to other large herbivores like horses and even humans working in agricultural fields. Their flight is characterized by slow, deliberate flapping, interspersed with glides. They have a distinct, graceful appearance in flight, often seen soaring with their necks extended. Diet. The diet of the cattle egret is primarily composed of insects and other small invertebrates. Their diet includes beetles, flies, grasshoppers, and crickets, which are often stirred up by the large mammals they follow. They may also eat small amphibians, reptiles, and occasionally small fish. Their foraging technique involves walking slowly through the grass or mud, pecking at anything that moves. Breeding and nesting. Cattle egrets are colonial breeders, often nesting in large, noisy colonies that can include hundreds of pairs. Nesting sites are usually located in trees, shrubs, or reed beds near water. During the breeding season, males perform elaborate displays to attract females, including bowing, flapping, and calling. The nest is typically constructed from sticks and other plant materials, and it is often lined with softer materials like leaves. The female usually lays 3 to 5 eggs, which are incubated by both parents for about 3 to 4 weeks. The chicks are altricial, meaning they are born blind and naked, and rely on their parents for warmth and food. They fledge, or leave the nest, about 6 weeks after hatching. Conservation status. The cattle egret is currently listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. This designation reflects its widespread distribution and large population. The species has adapted well to changes in its environment and benefits from its association with human agricultural practices. However, local populations may face threats from habitat destruction and changes in land use. Cultural significance. In many cultures, the cattle egret is a symbol of agricultural prosperity due to its association with livestock and farming practices. Its presence in fields is often seen as beneficial, as it helps control insect populations. In some regions, the bird is featured in local folklore and stories, often representing vigilance and the harmonious relationship between humans and nature. Overall, the cattle egret's adaptability and beneficial role in agriculture have enabled it to thrive across a broad range of environments, making it a fascinating subject of study and a valuable component of many ecosystems. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more related contents about nature.